Tipra Motha, led by EM Runiel Debbarma, organized a massive bike rally today in support of their upcoming public meeting scheduled for November 27 at the Astabal playground in the Agartala. The meeting is being held to champion the rights and interests of the state's indigenous people. The expansive bike rally was organized by the Tipra Motha party converging the 17 village committees within Adisa village of 14 Bojunagar Wakinagar constituency. The rally commenced from Lemuchora Sipaipara and traversed key areas including Bonikia Chomoni, Patni and Esrai before concluding at Rachontai. The rally was spearheaded by several key party figures including Runiel Debbarma Executive Member, Deepak Debbarma Block President, Prasanta Debbarma and among others. Runiel Debbarma, speaking about the mobilization efforts, stated that the bike rally was organized to ensure the message of the 27 November meeting reaches every village, encouraging maximum participation.
bike rally khlaijang thangi tongo o bike rally sara somugdo todo bujongnor wakinogor ni je 17 ta bisi tongmoni joto bisi no sing joto bisi tino sing thangi o bike rally khlaijang o bike rally khlaimani main karon gamono je 27 तारिख नि Chini जनसभा कटरंग थांगी दङ लु बुथुम बान्दा बुबाग्रानि लिडारशिप नि बिसिंथि Astabal मैदान 27 तारिख सिङरो जत्त तिप्रा मिलिसिन थानसानि फानफुनुंनाय तेरो थांलायनाय अमबायनो अमनो प्रचार खायना बगि नगो नगो जाते खबर सगिना बगि गामि गामियो जाते खबर सगिना बगि न सिंतिनि एनाउन्स खायमानि बिसिंथि कायसे बाइक रैली खायजाका 14 बुजुंनो वाखिनोनि नङै
एमने जे बर थाङि पाइने बर थाङा
अमो 17 टा बिसियो काजाकनाय ओ बाइक रैली तामु 11:30 तामखा 11:30 सिमि अमो प्राय जों लेफुङा हातिन सिमि चंलाखे अमो पाइथा गंगे लास्टो राचनतै बाजार थाङि पाइने.
He further extended an appeal to all indigenous communities to join the public meeting to make their collective voices heard. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.